The number 4 reason that you need a knitting subscription kit is connection. If it weren't for knitting, I would have felt extremely disconnected and extremely lonely when my baby was born. And my baby is 18 years old now. I still have some of the same friends that I made when I started that knitting group way back in 2003 in the Montclair Public Library. And I understand that before the pandemic hit, that knitting group was still going strong. Whether you knit with other people in a knitting group in person, or these days maybe you jump on a Zoom call and knit with other people, knitting is something that you can do. It keeps your hands busy and you can learn about other people. It's not something that's so absorbing that you have to focus intently on what you're doing. It's one of the few hobbies that really allows you to get to know other people from all different walks of life. Even if you're not in a face-to-face knitting group or an online knitting group, just by the act of knitting, you are connected with the millions, tens of millions of people who knit and crochet around the world.